This is Iman Gadzhi. He has made $108 million through his multiple businesses and still making him millions of dollars each month. But apart from all those businesses, there is one business that generates him $470,000 a month, all from the back of this one YouTube video. And if you are wondering how he does it every single month, watch this video where I am decoding his entire business from start to finish. But before getting straight to the main point, it's really important to know how he came up with this business idea. So before starting this business, he was selling his agency course called Agency Accelerator. After making millions of dollars, he realized I can't rely on this one course. What if I sell multiple courses instead of just one? So in 2024, he launched this digital platform called Digital Launchpad, where people can learn and master almost any skill or business from real millionaires. Before Digital Launchpad, the price per his agency course was $1,500 for lifetime. But now he is selling multiple courses for $37 a month all in one place, making a community of people who wants to learn how to make money online. Now you might have one question. What's the secret behind his business that generates him $470,000 a month consistently? Well, the secret is his YouTube channel. Through a smart system, he turns his viewers into paying customers. It's called the content flywheel system, making you to watch one video, then take you from there to watch another video, and then take you towards something to sell you. In simple terms, it is his way of selling a product or service without annoying the audience. So this is his entire process. When you watch any of Iman's video, alongside the main topic of the video, he will discuss the importance of a life where you don't worry about money and freedom, which is the dream of every person who follows Iman. While having a full understanding of how badly the audience wants such a lifestyle, he will make you believe that he is helping you with achieving your goals. While watching his video, he wants you to check out the link in the video description. This link takes you to this YouTube video. Inside that video, you will be asked to click the link in the video description. The link takes you to sales page of Digital Launchpad, where you get a basic idea that what's in it for you. After that, you decide whether to make the purchase or leave the page. Iman is the master of persuasion. He convinces his audience before visiting the sales page. That's the reason the audience goes for making the purchase. This is his content flywheel system through which he targets a specific audience. He supports their dreams and funnels them to his paid program. But the courses you get here on Digital Launchpad are not some typical courses. They are taught by people who have done it themselves in real life. Not only that, his courses provides a different experience. They provide you a full customer support. They are with you until you build your momentum and achieve your financial freedom. This makes his audience satisfied because they are delivered and valued more than what they expect, and that's why the audience love what he sells. I hope that's enough for this one video. I will be back with more videos like this. Until then, keep creating and learning.